Chapter 2 Polynomials Part 8. Today we are going to see some more problems in exercise 2.5. 10th problem is factorize each of the following. First one, 27y cube plus 125 z cube. So you have to find out which form it is. It is clearly a cube plus b cube form. So a cube plus b cube form is that formula you have to remember. What is a cube plus b cube? Factorization formula. A plus b into a square minus ab plus b cube. So this formula, if you remember only, you can do this problem. Otherwise, you cannot do it. Okay? See, a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. If you remember this formula only, you can do very correctly. Clear? So you have to make this form, a cube plus b cube form. First, a you have to find out here. What is a here? You see, 27 is which cube? 3. So this can be written as 3y whole cube plus 125 is 5. So 5 is that whole cube. So you will get a here. You will get a here, b. So here a you are getting got 3y, b you are getting 5z. Just to put in this formula. Therefore, this is nothing but a cube plus b cube you are getting. So you put a plus b means 3y plus 5z into, just to write in the formula form. So 3y the whole square minus 3y into 5z plus 5z the whole square. Just what writing in the formula. That's all. Now simplify. So what you will get? 3y plus 5z into, here how much? 9y squared minus 3 into 5, 15. 15yz plus 25z squared. So you have to take the square for both here factors. That is 5 you take, then z you take the square. Okay, this much only. That is, you have to find. The question is factorizing. You solve into two factors here. Solve into two factors. Okay. We will see one more problem. 64 m cube minus 343 n cube. Minus is there. So minus is there means what is the formula? A minus a cube minus b cube. Use the form a cube minus b cube equal to what? First write same. Okay, remove what? Cube. A minus b, write as it is, into a squared plus middle sign you have to change, plus ab plus b squared. Okay, now just to what? Replace here you write you have to make a cube minus b cube form means 64 is which cube? 4. Okay. So 4m the whole cube minus 343, which cube? You have to remember. Clear? 7 cube. You don't know means you just what? Factorize and see. Clear? In 7 table you put. How many times will go? 4 times. What's the remainder? 6, 63, 9 times will go. So again 7. So 7 into 7 into 7, 7 cube. So this 343 can be written as 7n whole cube. Same way 64 also you can factor it and see. Clear? You will get same way. So this is you are getting a cube minus b cube form. So this can be written as a minus b. So a is 4m, b is 7n. So 4m minus 7n into 4m whole square plus 4m into 7n plus 7n the whole square. Okay. 7n the whole square. Okay, now just a simplification. So that is 4m minus 7n. This is 16m square plus 28mn plus 49n square. So very simple. Clear? You see this one also what you have to find out which form. Clear? Here it is given factorize of 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. First we have to find out which form it is. Clear? So this is nothing but a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. So a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is what? Factorization formula. Okay, you just recall a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Clear? First write the formula. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c into a squared plus b squared plus c squared minus ab minus bc minus ce. This is the formula. Clear? So you have to get the form here. Clear? So that what you have to do, this 27 is which cube you have to find out. Means a you will get 3x is a plus y is b plus z is c minus 3 into, you write okay, a, what is a? 3x. Clear? What is b? Y. So currently we will get the form a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3a b c. That means you can apply this formula. There is this is nothing but a, right, plus b plus c into a squared. A squared is 3x the whole squared plus b squared, that is y squared plus z squared c squared minus ab means 3x into y minus bc. BC means y into z minus CA. C is z, A is 3x. Right? Just write in the formula form. Write it in the formula form. Right? Nothing. Clear? Now simplification. 3x plus 9x squared y squared z squared minus 3xy minus yz minus 3zx. That's all. Okay. This is only the question. That's all. This is only the answer. Resolve, factorize given, resolve into two factors. Further, you should not multiply. Clear? Factorize means resolved into two factors. This one resolved into two factors. Again, you multiply means same only you will get. Okay, no use. Some students they blindly they will do. Here again they will multiply. Means no meaning at all. Okay, you will not get factor. Problem is factorize. We have done factorize. That's all. Here up to here you have to do. Okay, very important problem this. Okay. Now we will see 13th problem. If x plus y plus z equal to 0, so that s cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. Right? So how to prove this? So here first you see if means what? Given. First you take that one. From the given easily we can get that one. You see, given you take proof, right? Given x plus y plus z equal to 0, it is given. Now you have to prove that. Here. So in this, you see, you remember that formula a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3xyz is nothing but what? A plus b plus c. Here what? One factor is there. So one more factor not there. How to find out that factor? That factor is what? X square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. That factor not there. So multiply on both sides. Simply multiply. Multiply by this factor x squared plus y squared plus z squared minus xy minus yz minus zx on both sides. So what will happen here? Just I am multiplying. First to write x plus y plus z into this factor fully multiplying. Is equal to 0 into this factor fully multiplied. Both sides I am multiplying. Both sides I am multiplying. So these two multiply means what you will get? Formula. We have identity. X plus y plus z into what? X square plus y square plus z square minus xy means that is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Okay, you multiply and see, you will get this only. Directly you can apply the identity. We know that. Clear? So that 0 into anything 0. Now what you have to do? You bring this side means therefore s cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. Clear? So hence proof. Hence proof. So this is what 11th identity. Clear? 11th formula I have given already. If x plus y plus z equal to 0 means this can be written as x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. You can write. Okay. Already this is the the formula I am given. Clear? You see, this is very important problem. Clear? Listen carefully. Verify x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to 1 by 2 into x plus y plus z into x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. You have to do. You see, how to verify? You have to take left hand, either left hand side or right hand side, and you have to get it. Clear? Either right hand side or left hand side, you have to get it. Okay. So here, left hand side you take means you cannot do anything. Right? Better you take a right hand side. Right hand side means you can multiply and you can do some simplification. Clear? Then you are getting left hand side or not. You can see. Clear? You see. Take first one. Right hand side. Right hand side equal to write as it is. First write as it is. Writing as it is. Now, what you have to do is, you see here, a minus b whole square form. You know formula a minus b whole square formula. A squared minus b squared, a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Okay. So here that formula you have to write. X squared minus 2xy plus y squared. Same way, a minus b whole square. Y squared minus 2yz plus z squared. This also apply. Z squared minus 2zx plus x squared. Right? So now you see in this factor, you see x squared plus x squared, 2x squared is there. Write it first. Y squared plus y squared, 2y squared is there. Z squared, everything it is coming what? 2. Right? Here already minus 2xy, minus 2yz, minus 2zx. Okay? Now here 2 is common, you taking out. 2 is common means just you can take out. Into 2 you take out. Taking out means what you will get? X square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Right? Minus zx you will get. Now here you see, here this is multiplication only. Here 1 2, denominator 1 2, numerator 1 2, denominator 1 2, you can cancel. Therefore you will get this much. 2 factor will get. Getting or not? So just to recall the formula, which identity it is? 10th identity. Here. So if you multiply means what you will get? X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. You will get the left hand side. Correctly you will get the left hand side. That is nothing but LHS. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Okay. Hence verified. Hence verified. Okay. So very important problem. Okay. You practice 4 times, 5 times you practice this one. Okay. So you have to remember the steps correctly. You have to applying here a minus b whole square formula, then adding, clear, then taking 2 is common, then cancel means again you will get that okay, 10th identity, then you apply means you will get. Clear? This is a very important problem. Okay, many times repeated questions without actually calculating the cubes. Find the value of minus 12 cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube. So you have to apply the identity. Clear? So how will you do this? Means First you take let. What is A? Minus 12. What is A? Minus 12. What is B? 7. C take 5. C take 5. Now just you add A plus B plus C. What you are getting? A plus B plus C. What you are getting? A is minus 12. B is 7 plus 5. So minus 12 plus 12. How much? 0 getting. So earlier we proved A plus B plus C equal to 0 means A plus B plus C equal to 0 means what says? A cube plus B cube plus C cube equal to 3ABC. 11th formula. Clear? Very important. This you are getting A plus B plus C equal to 0. You can write like this. Now you replace it. What is A? Minus 12 the whole cube plus B is 7. 7 the cube plus C is 5 the whole cube. That is equal to 3 into A. Replace. Minus 12. B 7. C 5. So that is equal to minus 36 into 35. Okay. Minus 36 into 35. You know 35 into 35 very simple. How to multiply? 35 4 means 12. Okay. In which you add one more what? 36. Here. Easily you can multiply this. You see 35 to 35. Multiply. 25. 4 into 3 12. So total how much? 36 35. So 35 35 multiplied. Then again 135 add means you will get. That's all. So easy multiplication, right? So this is the answer. Okay. So you take the cube means you will get this. Clear? So easily we can, using identity, easily we can do this, right? 15th problem we will see now. Give possible expressions for the length and breadth of each of the following rectangles in which their area given. This is area given. So this quantity polynomial, you factorize means you will get the length and breadth. Okay, how to find out the length and breadth in the form of expression. You have to find out. So that area given, area of rectangle, you know length into breadth. So you resolve into two factor means one factor length, another factor breadth. You can take it. Clear? That is the thing. So how to factorize this one? Already I taught in the previous exercise. Clear? So easily you can factorize. First what you have to do? 25 you take. A squared coefficient 25 into last constant term 12. So 25 into 12. Clear? 25 into 12. 10 into 25 250. Okay. 2 into 25 50. Add 300. Clear? 300. Easily you can multiply. Now you have to what? 300 make into two factors. 300 make it into two factors. So that you have to get the middle term, that is minus 35. Here you have to get minus 35. Okay, like that you have to find out two factors. You have to find out two factors. Okay, what are the factors you have to find out? So 300. How will you do this? So 300 you make the factors. So here 2 table means how many times will go? 150. Again 2 table means 75. Again 3 table means 25. Again 5 table means 5. Okay. Now you see this 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 5, 20. Here 15. So 20, 15 you take. Better. 20, 15 correctly it will come. So 20, 15 if you take means here you have to get 35 means both you have to give minus sign. So that only what will, while adding you will get minus 35. While do product you are getting 300. Okay? 300. So that now you have to what, split this middle term into two factors. 25 a squared minus 20a minus 15a plus 12. So I am writing this minus 35a into two terms, that is minus 20a minus 15a. You add means you will get this. So minus 35a can be written as minus 20a minus 15a. Now you take common. First two terms you take 5a is common, right? In number 5 is common. In factors what? In variable a is common. Clear? Now 5a it will be. Take common. 5a means here remaining 5a. Minus here how much? 5a taken common means 4. If you have doubt, you multiply and see. 5 into 5, 25, a into a squared minus 5a into 4, 20a. Same thing you write. 5a minus 4 you write. It means here some number you have to give. So that you multiply means you will get this. So how much? Minus 3 if you give, correctly will get. Understand? Minus 3 you give. Sign is very important. Minus 3 you have to give. Minus 3 into 5a minus 15a. Minus into minus plus 12. Clear? So minus sign is very important. Even plus come also you have to put it. Then only what? It is two terms. In this two term again 5a minus 4 you take out. That means remaining 5a minus 3. 5a minus 3. So resolved into two factors. So here one factor is length, another factor is what? Breadth. Right? Therefore take any factor. Clear? Therefore for my convenient length is I am taking 5a minus 3. Clear? And the breadth is 5a minus 4. Always breadth will be small, length will be big. So a if you take some positive number means correctly will get, because length and breadth are always positive, right? So 5a minus 3 is more you will get, 5a minus 1 is less you will get. So length, breadth correctly you take. Okay, easily we can find out. So this also same type. What are the possible expressions for the dimensions of the cuboids whose volumes are given? So volume is given. You know volume of cuboid is what? Length into breadth into height. So this can be what? Make into three factors. Make into three factors means one factor you can keep it as length, another one breadth, another one height. Clear? So that you take this is common. Straight away you take common. What are the numbers common here? 3 is common. Here x is common. So 3x you take common means remaining x you will get minus here 4. If you have doubt you multiply and see. Correctly coming. Okay. So here 3, this can be written as 3 into x minus 4. Okay. Therefore you take length. One is length you take. Length is x you take. Okay. Breadth is you can take 3. Then height is x minus 4 you can take. So in the problem they ask you dimensions of the cuboid. So these are the dimensions: x, length, breadth, and height. Okay. So like this, what you have to make into three factors. One is length, one is breadth, another one is height. Okay. Same way you have to do. Volume is given. Clear. So this can be written as what is common here. Take common. Here 2k. 2k is common. Clear? You take 2k common. Here y squared you will get plus 3, 2 taken common, k taken common. So 3y minus 2 taken common means 10. K also taken common. So minus 10. Right? So you are getting what? Two factors here. But here this can be what? Quadratic polynomial. So this also can be, you can do factorize. Clear? This also you can make it as factor, means you know do factorization. Clear? Here y squared there. So in rougher column you do 1 into minus 10. Minus 10. You have to split up, means you have to get plus 3. So you have to find out such factor. 5 into 2. 5 into 2 is correct. Plus 3 you take, plus 5 you take. Here plus is there. So bigger number plus, smaller number minus you take. So that both way it will be satisfied. Add plus 3 coming, multiply minus 10 getting. So this This plus 3y can be written as plus 5y minus 2y minus 10. 2k you keep it as it is. Now here first two term what is common? First two term what is common? Y is common. Take out y plus 5. Same y plus 5 you write it here. Here how much if you multiply this you will get minus 2. Multiply correctly coming. Now you are taking common. Y plus 5 you take common means you will get y minus 2. The remaining you will get y minus 2. So here we can take, this is fully constant. Constant one, take one factor. This one you take one factor. This is another factor. 3 factor you have. So that this y plus y is length you take. Length is always more. Okay. Therefore length you take y plus 5. Breadth you take y minus 2. And height you take constant term 2k. Okay. So like this easily we can do this problem. Right. So same type of problem I will give homework you do practice. Okay.